Welcome everybody, it's Drunk Crafts with Paige. Welcome to my channel. Drinking a cider today, and our craft is just gonna be something small. We're gonna try to do another Dutch pour and we're gonna try to do it in the corners. I'd like the middle to stay mostly white, and then for my globs of color to be on either side, kind of blending inward into the white, but the white's gonna be a nice negative space. So I have a bunch of neon colors today. I've got a neon green. This is the same kind of color that I mixed up for the tile that I did. And so it's got a little bit, it's got green and then a little bit of neon yellow in it, so it's nice and bright. And then I've also got the neon yellow. And since I mentioned the tile, I tried to make my own pink in that video, and it didn't come out as great as I wanted it to be. And so I just went ahead and bought my own. So I've got a super neon pink for this opposite corner, and I've got a rich purple that I also, it might need some more water in there. It's okay, just needed to be mixed. That I also added some of the neon pink in it. So all of my colors have some kind of neon added to them. Ooh, what was, oh, it's just bubbles. I hope it's just bubbles. Have some kind of neon added to them. And then I also have some gold just for funsies because I like gold. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So my first step, my first step is I need to add silicone to all of my colors. So let's go ahead and do that first. Alright, so I have silicone put into all my cups, except for my white. And so my next step, after I take my popsicle stick out, is gonna be my base coat. We've done several Dutch pours before, and this is the boring part, that you just put a nice white base down before adding any of your colors. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm not doing a very big canvas today. We've done, I don't know, some smaller Dutch pours. We've done that Northern Lights pour was bigger. This one's kind of in between. What size is this? This is a 7x14 canvas. So it's nice and long and skinny, and I kind of like the way that that looks. Down there at the bottom, and now I'm going to heat it to get rid of any air bubbles. Okay, so my plan is to do some purple and pink in this corner and some green and yellow in this corner, and to add some gold to both of them. like I said, keeping the white in the center. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're gonna surround them with the white. And maybe a little bit more over here. And let's give this a go with my handy dandy hairdryer, which sometimes doesn't like to work, so we'll see. Like right now. And now we're gonna blow it outward. All right, let's try again. All right, so there's that, and I'm gonna, let's see, blow some more, just with my, get that corner. Okay, now let me try the other side without dunking my sweatshirt in there. Maybe let's heat it up a little. I got this heat gun mostly for my for the resin projects because it helps preserve the silicone molds because you're not applying like flame to it. But I like using it for these paintings as well because it kind of helps, it heats up and lets the cells come through, but it also helps me move the paint a whole bunch. So they're really nifty. Maybe I'll try to kind of reach, like get real close to these greens, like the green and yellow, but not touch exactly. All right, so what do I like and what do I not like? Some of these areas that are just the white on canvas are kind of already drying up. Smear paint all over my hands. Maybe I can get this corner to travel just a little bit more this way. Kinda did. I want some of that pink to stay. Or not pink, gold. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but I don't want it there. I don't want, must have splattered a little bit when as I was blowing some paint around. If I can maybe scrape off the purple. There. Wonderful. Was there? I don't think there's anything else I really want to like get rid of. Oh goodness. I just keep getting paint on my hands. Hazard of painting. I think I really like it. Maybe instead of like blowing the colors outward this way, maybe I should have blown the white like a little bit into it. Let me heat it up just one last time. Try not to dunk it in paint. happened, but yeah, I think it looks kind of cool. It's like little splashes of color from both sides, and the white, like they're not touching, but they're getting like real close right around here. So I think it looks super cool. And I don't know, maybe I would try another one where instead of blowing the paint like towards the middle, I'd want to blow the white out, kind of like what people do with a swipe, where you put the paper towel like in the middle and pull the paint over top. But yeah, I think it looks really interesting, and I'd be interested to see what it looks like under like a black light or something with all these neon colors. So I will check you guys back in when this painting is dry and I'm ready to go ahead and do a top coat for it. And here is the painting, all dry and glossed up. You can see the glossy cover. Couldn't take it outside because it's raining today, but even under the normal light, you can see how cool all these cells turned out. And the pink is so bright, you can like see it over top of the purple. And same thing with this yellow. It like, you can see how neon it is over top of the gold. Oh, the beautiful cells. So yeah, here it is. Very pretty. So, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below if you feel like it. I also have an Instagram with the same title, Drunk Crafts with Paige. Also feel free to hit that notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Yeah, feel free to leave me some love, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.